I will not worry about anything ever again. I will enjoy every moment.
Yeah, this is how I get all the good swipes.
I like to live, laugh, and love. That's my mantra.
Work hard, play harder.
Yep, that's my girl. Can you take me higher? America.
Is this what people do on top of rocks?
Not pictures, please.
What are you doing?
No photos.
Alchemy,
What?
science,
Science, obviously.
grande, frappuccino. Took a nap. And the nap took a little longer than we thought. Can he do it? Bill Canales, expert tattooer. Can he make... No! A room filled with amazing tattooers and Matt. And no one can get their ball in the hole. Matt's usually really good at getting the ball in the hole, but for some reason today he can't. He's not good with his stick today. Something's wrong with Matt. Maybe his beard's not the proper length or anything, but is that even his ball right there? Here comes Devix. Not familiar with the pool cue. He wants to use a baseball bat, but it's fine. He'll be able to do this properly.
Maybe one.
Oh, nothing. I want Kanye West to acknowledge me. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm very surprised. I'm just as surprised as him.
I'm gonna be myself.
I got Grizzly. So for all the single ladies out there, you may not know this, but Matt,
I make pancakes.
so after a night with Matt, he'll make you pancakes in the morning before he sends you off on your Uber.
For free.
For free.
Oh my god.
What's up, pancakes?
So, Santa here has been fucking with us all week.
Creepy.
Found him in our bedroom, I found him in the shower, he's been in the elevator, now he's watching us eat breakfast. You're gonna fall on your fucking ass. Oh my god. Get away from there.
Come on. Oh.
Big Bear City. Let's go to the nightclub. You guys ready?
Micheladas and Big Bear? It might be hard to find.
You break it, you buy it. 80% wolf, 100% party animal. Hey, buddy.